Salam Hope family, today we will learn the Amharic letter Ha. Follow me.
Ha. Ha. Ho. Ho. He. He. Ha. Ha. He. He. Who. Who. Ho. Ho.
Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.